What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. In today's video, I want to discuss what I wish, and I wish I could go back in time and do this: how to build an online business while you're in high school. And I wish I could go back when I was 16, 17, and tell my younger self, hey, just do this once a week, do that once a week. By the time you're here, this age, you be set. So I wish I would start it. I'm glad you looking it up and you're trying to figure out how to do stuff. So in this video, let's go over some steps, some pros and cons. So while you're in high school, most teenagers, if you're in high school, 9 times out of 10, you're living with your parents. Now, some cases you might live with grandparents or you might move out on your own. Some people have done that, but majority of people live at home. So you don't have no responsibility as far as paying bills or paying a mortgage or etc. Most likely you don't have no kids. And some people do have kids in high school, but the majority of them doesn't. So I'm talk to the majority and talk to the minority group that has kids and has a job, whatever, etc. So if you don't have a job, you don't have kids or you have no responsibilities, you probably have a part-time job. Well, let's say you don't have a part-time job. Well, you go to school, you probably get home around 3:30, 4 o'clock. You have plenty of time throughout the day to do something. And how to get started is whatever you're into. Nowadays, look at the stuff you like now. Look at the stuff that you're interested in. Look at the stuff that is trending right now. If you love video games, skateboarding, sports, if you're on a debate team, you on a chess and checkers team, you on in some kind of politics in school, you could take that same stuff in school and apply it to the real world. So if whatever you're into, you can make a business. Okay, whatever you're into, it doesn't matter what it is. Let's say you're on a football team, you play football, you want to go pro. Well, you can start a YouTube channel on exercises to do for playing football, or drills, or plays, or etc., or advice on football, or advice at working out in sports in general. You'd start a blog. See, you gotta start building assets. Okay, making money online is not that. It's easy to say, but hard to do. Because bottom line, you need traffic. You need people looking at what you're selling. Just like you have your own shoe store, your own clothing store, you own a McDonald's or Hardee's or Wendy's, whatever. The only way the restaurant make money is people coming into the store and buying product. If they're not buying no product, you're not making no money. Let's say with the online atmosphere, you want people looking at what you got. So you want to build online assets, and you can build social media accounts. You could build a blog, you could build multiple YouTube channels, you could build a Facebook fan page, Instagram was hot. You could build these things up passively. You work on it maybe once a day, twice a day, maybe an hour or so, and you build these things up, get you a following, and you can start promoting. And that's how it usually works. So if you work from high school, we come home, of course, study your tests, study whatever you got going on, do your homework. But before you go to bed, I don't know the rules on YouTube on teenagers starting a YouTube channel or kids starting a YouTube channel under the age 18. Consult your parents first before you start a YouTube channel or start a blog or start social media. Please consult your parents first before doing so. Make sure you read the rules and regulations of blogging, starting a blog, and starting a YouTube channel. So read those regulations first before you go start one. But if you could always, let's say you can't start a YouTube channel. Let's say your parents won't let you do it. When you turn 18, you can. And what you could do is just go ahead and record those videos. Record the videos now. You could get your hard drive for $30, $40. Store all those videos on a hard drive. When you turn 18, you put them on YouTube. It's same with a blog post. With a blog post, you write your article. If you can't get a blog or the money for a blog, just save them. Just save the articles. And then when you get the money for a blog, which is very cheap, you can publish them. YouTube is free, so YouTube you can start depending on what your parents say is on third. But most parents should be okay with it, knowing what you're doing. But That's how you start a business. That's the easiest way to do it without getting complicated, without getting get on Facebook and promote this and like that and share 2,000, put up content on all social media platforms like Gary Vee says, which is, you can do that too, but people don't have time to do that. So start your YouTube channel, start your blog. If you love playing video games, start your video game channel. If you love playing cards, you love doing crossword puzzles, you know how to draw, start a drawing channel. Show people how to draw certain cartoon characters. Start a drawing channel. You're on a strict diet and you eat healthy, put that on YouTube. Put in the blog post. Get on Pinterest. So start off small for a bigger reward down the line. So that's the end of my video. Just use your mind. Think, what am I good at? First thing you gotta establish, what do I like looking up on Google? What do I like? Or if you don't like anything, a lot of people don't know what they like. What is something area you want to get into? You want to get into cooking. You want to get into do it yourself around the house. What do you like to get into, and talk about that? You don't have to be an expert, but the more you do something, the better you become over time. So that's the end of my video. Come home from school, do your homework, do what you gotta do. Start your YouTube channel, start your blog, create your Instagram based on your thing you want to promote. Build those things up. Now, social media will be easier because all kids have social media accounts. You can start building that account up while you're young, and for when you get older, you can promote. So that's easier. So Instagram is perfect for everybody. Snapchat, whatever. You start start these Facebook groups. Hold the whole 9 yards while you're young, and you have the time because you're not constricted of having to have kids or having a spouse, or you gotta work a 40-hour job. You gotta work Saturdays and Sundays. Once you're in school, you're out for the summer. You have spring break, you have winter break, and you have summer vacation. So you have plenty of time to get stuff done. And when you could do product reviews. Let's see how a lot of products at home, and for Christmas you get a whole lot of technology and new tech and stuff like that. You create a YouTube channel just based on reviews. You got a YouTube channel based on your gaming. Have a YouTube channel based on you know how to cook and clean, whatever. So you do whatever you like, whatever you're into, put out to the masses to see. And that's one thing I would tell people in high school, the young or old. Gary Vee said is to put out good content. Put out content on all the social media accounts. If you have time to, not pick one or two. I'll say Instagram and Pinterest. Instagram and Pinterest be the best two assets to use. Those two be the best. Facebook fan page, yeah, you can do that too. But if you need the number one, it might be Instagram. Number two be Pinterest. Number three be a Facebook fan page. You build these things up. You build your YouTube channel. You build your blog, and then you give it some time and some years. You have an online business. You can promote anything and make money. That's the end of my video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to let me know. Please share the video. There are other ways to make money online, but to keep it simple, to keep it easy that anybody can do, find your niche, put out videos, write articles, post on social media, and you want to build online asset. So a good asset would be Pinterest. You have a big, huge Pinterest account, you can do a lot of things with it. The same go with Instagram. The more photos you post, the more followers you get, and consistency with it. Whatever you choose to do, make sure you do one thing is stay consistent. Don't be off again, on again. Whatever you pick to go to, you're going to do that forever. I'm a blogger. I'm a YouTuber. I've been doing these YouTube videos and writing blog posts forever. You can't just do it one time and take 3-4 months off. That's not how the online game works. You got to consistently do it. Be consistent. So you be consistent, you can make it. My name is Ty, and my blog is skeen.com and the rotogrip.org. Check the two blogs out. Please share my video, like the channel, like the video, share the video, sub to the channel. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave me know at the bottom of the video. I'll be glad to help you out. And if you want to start your blog, today, my link's below the video. Start a blog, you get a free domain. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing with free affiliate training, my link is below. There are affiliate links. the link below the video as well. Check them out. The free affiliate training is totally free. And start a blog. You start a blog for about $5 a month you could pay, and you have an up and running blog. So thanks for watching. See you next time.